This is going to be a taste test video of the spicy mozzarella bites. And I don't think I ever had those kind before, which is spicy, that is. I know I had regular mozzarella sticks before, but not the spicy spicy ones, which is mozzarella bites, that is. So yeah. So let's get started with this taste test video of the spicy mozzarella bites. So here we go. Let's get started. See if I like it. Oh, it's spicy. It tastes pretty good, and it's kind of pretty spicy.
It tastes good?
I'm gonna try one more time without dipping it.
Actually, it tastes good?
Yeah.
It tastes good.
And it tastes good, and it's pretty spicy.
Good.
Spicy mozzarella bites taste pretty good. Let me try one more time before I end this video. Spicy mozzarella bites taste good. That's all I gotta say for this taste test video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, everybody. Triple like on this video, and I'll see you guys next time on the next video. Bye bye.